Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix this error message from Google AdSense. As you can see here, earning at risk. Okay, so there's three methods to fix it. The first one is to use a plugin on WordPress if you are using a WordPress website. Okay, the second step is to use Notepad, create a code, save it on TXT, upload it inside your cPanel where is your files are stored. Okay. The other way to do it is to create a TXT file from your server. Okay. We are going to start with the easy one. Okay. So from here, you are going to click fix now. So as you can see here, is the website that doesn't have that file called add.txt. Okay, so what I'm going to show you here is to go to your account information. So you see on publisher ID here, this is what we are looking for. Okay, so this is my publisher ID. Okay, we are going back to my website. Okay, go to plugin, add new plugin, and type this one here, add.txt. Okay, so we are going to install this plugin. There are plenty plugin you can install. I'm going to install this one. You can also use this one if you want to. I always use the one that got the more download. Activate. So when you activate the plugin, you come to setting. Okay, in my case is in French. Okay, you look for app add txt. So this is what you need to enter, but you need to change your pib ID. Okay, you go back to your AdSense, you go to account information. I'm gonna copy my pib ID, go back to the website. I'm gonna change this, put my own. When you're done, you click save. Okay, this is the first method. You're going to copy this. Okay, second method, paste this code here, save it as I can leave it on my download, but I'm going to call it, I'm gonna call it ads.txt. I'm gonna save it on my download folder. When you're done, you go to your cPanel, or to public HTML. So this is my website files. You can see here, I got it already, but you can just click upload, select files. This is the files, click upload. As you can see, they say it's already exist. I'm gonna say no because I don't wanna overwrite it. Okay, you say no. Okay, so let's go back to cPanel. The other option you can do is to click add new files in this corner here. This is the last option. You're gonna have to call it ads.txt. You click create a new file. Okay, as you can see here, I cannot create another one because I got it already. You can see here, file exists. Okay, so this is very simple. This is how you add a ads.txt file on your WordPress website to fix this error message here. Okay, it won't go automatically. It might take few hours. It might even take a day before this error message disappear. If the code have been added properly, you can do this. Enter your website, do backslash add dot txt. Press enter. You can see it here. It's already inside on my website. Okay. I hope this video will help someone who is in need. Please don't forget to like it, share, and subscribe. Ciao.